take care of it. There's nothing. I'm just getting ready here. They want a video and stuff.
В один из выходных дней на американской работе наш работодатель устроил для нас профессиональную рыбалку.
That's me.
I probably look old and tired.
Well.
So Bill's the oldest one here.
Let's go to the orchard tonight. Oh my God, she got a fish.
Look like
She got the fish already.
2 seconds later.
I knew Shushka was gonna be a good
Everybody else
one.
gonna eat crackers.
Shusha, Shusha.
I got off. See him right there? He broke the line, Bill.
Oh, Shushka.
Close but no cigar.
He broke the line, that little perch. You know what she's doing? Take your booty. Take your booty. That's what she's doing.
Yeah, Shushka.
После того, как мы начали ловить очень ценную рыбу, золотого окуня, Ксюша рассказала американцам о сказке золотой рыбки. Только мы забыли сказать, что в обмен на желание ее нужно отпустить обратно. Но это Америка, так что и рыбка есть, и ее съесть. Здесь отсылка к такому известному словосочетанию have a cake and eat it too, что значит у медали есть две стороны.
Целуй, Ксюш. Ой, май гад! О май гад! Сволай. А и сделай типа, будто ты целуешь. You really want to?
That's a good one. She gets to eat today.
Gatava.
Godova?
Gadova.
Like the chocolate?
We call it Karawaba.
Go.
Karawaba.
Gadawaba.
Yeah, where you from? Karawaba.
Это все о рыбалке.
Не
переключайтесь.
You know what I'm saying? It is. I'm like, wow. They're not tangled.
Halushki Kobasi. I know some of that Slovak stuff. Where were you from?
Belarus.
Bella. That's beautiful. Where's that near?
It's between Russia and Poland.
Wow. Holy.
Polish?
Yeah.
Can you speak it?
Kobasi. His name is Padalon.
You guys say
Yeah,
stop
it's
saying
probably
Ostrovia.
Polish name.
Yeah.
Right
here,
now?
sir. Right here. Easy, easy. Just slow and steady. Right there. Lean right up against here. Here. Lean there. Yeah. And reel. There you go. I got another fish on here. We can try you, Katie. Yeah, baby. Real fast. Come on over here.
Yeah.
Real. Lower the pole. Not you. You're good.
Что она пытается крутить, но я не могу подойти.
Sarah.
Come on.
Yeah, real.
Real.
Give me the other net. Sorry.
Настоящие чуваки именно так и рыбачат.
Ah, see.
Got a baby.
I didn't know she got a
You got a
baby.
baby.
She's got to kiss it.
Sarah.
Короче, я своего принципа боялась целовать, если честно, даже побоялась взять в руки свою любовь.
Look at their fucking This one is more light than ours.
He's weird. He's like, I'll bite you, girl. I dare you.
Kiss it.
Yeah, but...
Kiss it.
Kiss it.
Well, if you hold him there, he's going to cut you with the
Got it.
gills.
I'm sorry.
Hold it for her and kiss
No.
Flop, flop, flop.
I'd be scared too.
Want to move a little bit?
That's me after a bunch
She
of
wants
patrol.
to bite me because I catch him.
Hang on a bit. We'll get a hook up there.
It was a nose ring and a little cross right here.
Sandra.
You throw me in the river 'cause I feel like I'm ready. Now I'm starting to get jumped. She's like, I'm cool.
Pushka.
Kobe's like, you know what? I will. I'll get it together.
Look at that face. Look at that.
Comes to America, catches
Who's got
a
the biggest
fish.
dick on the boat?
Shushka.
so big. I know, you have...
I love Sarah.
In the gutter, you're in the gutter. That's all there is. There's nothing wrong with it.
Мне кажется, она беременная.
I know. Don't fall in love. Ready?
Под конец нашей замечательной прогулки все были уже такие, как надо. Чудесное время среди воды в окружении золотых рыбок. И, конечно, какое же была вкусная вся выловленная нами рыба, настолько она освежающая, что просто таяла на языке.